Here's a larger folder, I would like to delete it, and I receive an error message. The folder is too big to recycle. Do you want to permanently delete it? Yes or no? No, I don't want to permanently delete it. I want to store it temporarily in the recycle bin. The recycle bin itself, if I right click on it and go to properties, for this partition, which is drive H is mentioned here. The recycle bin size, maximum size is 50,000 megabytes. So let's check this one. The folder that I want to delete is 55 gigabytes. So the folder is larger than the recycle bin of that partition. So let's just increase the size. Instead of 50,000, let's type in 100,000 and close it with OK. Now if I delete that folder, delete, now it's not showing the message anymore, and that folder is actually stored here in the recycle bin. So that's how to make your folder larger and fit your large folder into the recycle bin.